This unit not only able to dehumidify the surrounding room but also cleanses the air. By pressing the Start key, a teardrop icon will appear on the top left screen. Press once on the Mode function to clean the air. When pressed again, it dehumidifies and purifies the room. Positive or negative key can be pressed to adjust the humidity level by 5%. This key is able to read the present humidity and temperature in a room. To switch off, simply press the Start button. A bucket icon indicates that the water tank is full. Open the cover as shown. Remove the first filter, followed by another. To remove the water, detach the water tank from the unit.